So friends, today in this video we are watching the latest main gate design ideas because gates are applicable to apartments, bungalows, duplex and row houses and comes in various styles and materials, and choosing the right one is very important for house. Homes need to different kind of main gate designs as compared to offices or schools. You take look materials the best and suit for your home. Most of all the security to the purpose of the gate. Gates provide several advantages and security. First one is the you simply cannot afford to take chance with your family's safety and neighborhood. There are many different types of gates on the market. Depending on the function, budget and expectations for gate, each is generally made materials such as wood, steel, aluminum, iron, PVC, and other materials, which have their own set of benefits and drawbacks. And the first one is the swing gate, as the name is implies of this door like gate works in a swing manner and with hing attached on the wall. And the second one is the sliding gate. Sliding gates are perfect for small homes. They slide horizontally on bottom track and comes in variety of designs. And the third one is automatic gates. These are automatic gates that require on human innovation to maybe operate of any this version by installing sensors and motors on them. And fourth one is folding gate. Wooden entrance doors are a good and low cost option for uneven ground surfaces and are part of the sliding gate family. They are manufactured with a set of doors joined together and folded inside each other. Metal gates are preferred for their aesthetic and also for the safety that they provide. Metal gates are commonly used for bungalows and small houses. They comes with different coating and decorated with leaves and motifs and logos. The coating can be done with They also comes in non-Korea stainless steel gates and with customization designs available. And stainless steel gates are durable and comes in all grades of steel. The high quality materials is used for making stainless steel main gate so that they provide greater safety and security. They can be used with wooden planks and as well. The laser cutting designs makes it easy and very beautiful option. And modern steel gate designs also comes wide ranges and you find different styles that comes in various prices and various prices ranges. Have a look of in this video few popular stainless steel main gate designs available. You can choose it. And wrought iron gates, the importance of the offering wrought iron gates and which reflect the place gate appearance has to hint of gold and magnificent look, and it is made of black wrought iron. Simply install at the entrance area and prepare to receive plenty of prizes. Wrought iron gates to are preferred for their durability and low maintenance cost. They are also affordable and can be installed easily in any environment. They are strong and also resistant of all kind of weather conditions. And beside it also comes in various attractive designs and it is preferred for it is versatile. And wooden main gates have been popular since a long time. However, due to the wide uses of other materials and their affordability, and wooden main gates have taken a back set. Wooden gates can also be highly sturdy and durability if they comes with high quality wood that has been treated well. Wooden gates can be designed in any fashion and various designs. However, it can be expensive option has entrance gate and the basic design which is the ideal for any house. A latch may be used for secure one of the doors of ground and determine whatever it should be motion or not. And this gate is good option for big vehicles have in their homes. Try to these pot pointing ideas and the place these pots with your main gate and give your home royal look entrance. The concept is no brain if you want to make lasting of impact of your visitors. The basic attractive looking gate maybe improve the appearance of your outside space while adding a lovely aspect and the still beauty and elegance